this is James from Fishbowl. This is Whiteboard Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about inventory management training. Now the main thing to keep in mind, very basic here, is what do you have, where is it, who has it, and to put in academic terms, where that cash, right? So, systems, these are the ones that everyone in some form of business is using. You have the old way, which is with the spreadsheet. And that's how a lot of people get started, spreadsheets, whiteboards, post-it notes, whatever it is. You could bring in a third-party company. Now they might be bookkeepers, they might be an actual inventory company that kind of set things up and manage it for you. Or what's a lot more common and growing is the use of software, implementing software within your company so that you kind of know what's going on. Now the upsides of all of these, for spreadsheets, Excel, Google Docs, etc., they're free, more or less. I mean, some might cost a little bit, but they're free. With the third party, they're usually trained, they're usually educated, they know what they're doing. With the software, it allows you a great vantage point to see what's going on in your company, down to reports, forecasting, where things have gone, where they went, what they cost, what was spent, all of that. Now, the drawbacks, maybe, of some of these, especially with spreadsheets, they're slow and they're really old. Your company doesn't have to grow that much for this process right here to really slow you down and encumber your time. With the third party, you're kind of seeing with one eye shut because you may not see everything that's going on in the back end. You may not know exactly where your inventory is and you're relying on someone else to tell you. So your vision on what is happening within your processes is probably not 20/20. With the software, the main thing that I cannot stress enough, having visited some of these companies that implement a software, is having everyone on the same page. If you have someone in receiving that is not wanting to get on board with the new inventory software, it will cause problems. So if you can get everyone on board and implement as soon and as fast as you can, you are going to be in a much better place very quickly down the road. So with inventory management training, a great resource for that is right here. fishbowlinventory.com/videos/Whiteboard Wednesday. I know there's a little bit too much of me in there, but we do our best. So feel free to check it out right here, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks.